What is network congestion? What causes it? Well, one of the biggest things that causes network congestion is just simply having too many hosts on a segment. It is one of the most catastrophic things you can possibly do, like putting 500 people on the same wire. So we've got to compete from a collision standpoint. Of course, we're going to have reduced bandwidth capabilities because we've got so many systems sharing the same media. Now, every protocol is going to have different limitations. So if we're using TCP/IP, it has different limitations than other protocols such as IPX or AppleTalk, or any of these layer 3 protocols. They have a different effect. A physical limit of less than 0.1% of the total number of output packets is going to result in a collision. So in other words, less than 0.1% of the total packets that are sent on any given wire could collide, no more. If it was 0.12, we've got too many collisions on that wire. We have got to have a different solution. This means we've got too many hosts on that segment, or we require another look at a different technology. The other major problem that we have with networking congestion is just simply broadcast and multicast-based traffic. We've got an acceptable level of broadcast-based traffic of less than 20% of my total segment bandwidth. If my total segment bandwidth is 100 megabit, it means that we can never have more than 20 megabit of the total segment bandwidth ever at one time being consumed by broadcasts. Now, you would be surprised by the applications that are out there today. How many applications are broadcast-based? How many operating systems actually still send a tremendous number of broadcasts out on the wire? And you know what? Every host, far and wide, in between layer 3 domains, has got to examine those packets. And that could be a real problem. We start to get into routing. We deal with routing protocol updates, which can be of the broadcast or multicast variety. Some routing protocols, such as distance vector, will actually send updates as often as 30 seconds out of every interface for possibly a network that hasn't changed in 2 years and has actually remained stable. I still have updates happening every 30 seconds. So it's something that I have to contend with. Different network services like IP services, the DHCP protocol, which is used for automatically retrieving the IP address for a new client, DNS and WINS, will also eat up my segment bandwidth and cause networking congestion.